For more than 50 years, DTS has been a leader in the design, manufacture, installation and servicing of food-grade stainless steel equipment made right here in New Zealand. Best known as being the country's largest supplier of milk vats into the dairy industry, we have leveraged this expertise to design and manufacture stainless steel production equipment for a wide range of alternative uses. Based in our Normandy plant in Taranaki, our customer-focused process begins with what we call the discovery phase. This involves meeting with our design engineers and production manager to understand the unique requirements our clients need designed and manufactured. This critical phase is always collaborative, where DTS will provide guidance and recommendations based on industry standards to be adhered to. For the design stage, we will generate 3D CAD drawings of the concepts for consideration and acceptance. This allows us to more accurately prepare manufacturing quotes and, if required, manufacture a pre-production sample. We then progress into a production phase to realise our client's concept by setting up the production requirements, as well as documenting the associated standard operating procedures to ensure a quality outcome. Once production has been completed, our full turnkey business model means we can then employ our nationwide network of installation technicians to install as required so that it operates as designed. We stand behind our reputation by offering warranties on everything we design and manufacture. Also offering extended service and maintenance agreements to our customers' business continuity and their peace of mind. When it comes to the design, manufacture and installation of stainless steel food-grade production equipment made right here in New Zealand, come and talk to us at DTS.